Today we got a Mabosstiff EX box. I had no idea what the packs are inside, but I'll rip her open and we'll cut to that bit. Bang, here we are. So we've got the big promo, got 2 little promos, and I've got all 4 packs. Hopefully we get a good pull. Big Bry in the comments is screaming for a good pull, so let's get him up. So take the 2 promo cards out. So we've got Mabosstiff and Mabosstiff. I'll sleeve those 2 up. Before we go any further. 1. Try and get it in upside down. And 2. Then got our promo card. We've got the big card. Stick you back there for now. Then we've got our 4 packs. We've got 2 Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames, and a Silver Tempest. I'll do a Paradox Rift, hit the Silver Tempest, and I finish with Obsidian Flames. We'll leave you down there in the background. Where's the 2 other little cards? Stick you on the side. So, pack number 1, Paradox Rift, let's go. I need a big pull, I need a good hit, and we're going to see if we get one. Code, Electric, Gligar, Blipbug, Fuq, Snorunt, Simipour, Zebra Strike, Crocodile, Joltik, Natu, and Chi-Yu. So I'll add the totals for this pack on screen. On to the next. No pulling that one. Paradox Rift, pack number 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Bang. Code, Steel, Minim, Double Blade, Miltank, Wimpod, Defiance Vest, Vesalua, TM, Iron Bundle, Blitzel, and Morpeko. I'm cursed by this card, so I'll have the total of this pack on screen. All I see is that card all the time. 3rd pack, Silver Tempest. Yet to see a hit in this box yet, but I can feel it's due for one. Silver Tempest, pack number 3. Let's go. This pack's 4 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got our code, Hypno, V-Guard, Ducyon, Water, Ferost, Smeargle, Esper, Dratini, Chinchou, V-Guard, and Ursaluna V. Nice card. Where's the sleeves at? He matches the dog theme, doesn't he? I'll add the totals to his pack on screen as well. Stick you over here. Got 1 pack to go with this opening. Our 4th and final pack, Obsidian Flames. We'll get it. Pack number 4, Obsidian Flames. Let's go. Finish with a big hit, because we're due for one. Got Code, got Water, Phantom, Vulpix, Froakie, Dramacca, Houndoom, Brassiu, Magnezone, Lillipup, Salandit, and Thundurus. So I'll add the totals of this pack on screen. I'll add the totals for the full bundle on screen. Hopefully we got a good pull. I'm not too sure of the values, but I think that's just a normal V card. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll catch you all next time.